Perhaps one of the most bittersweet moments in each of our lives would be having to say goodbye to someone close to us. The Parting Glass is a song meant to capture the emotions felt when having to leave those whom we care about. It is a celebration of brotherhood, meant to remind us of the bonds we form between each other are ones that will last a lifetime. In today's world, goodbyes are often temporary, and we usually see each other soon enough. However, for a soldier, return is not certain. It is through the parting glass where feelings are expressed, and a reminder that maybe they will not return. Parting glass reminds us to take time whenever we can to think back on our lives and remember all the good times and the bad, and be thankful we were able to experience it. If I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and softly call. Good night and joy be with you all. Good night and joy be with you all.